Good morning, students. So in our previous video we have been discussing about types of diseases, and we have discussed all these four types of diseases. Number 1, which is acute disease or short duration disease, chronic disease or long duration disease, non-infectious or non-communicable diseases, which means the disease which cannot be transferred from one person to another. And the last one is infectious or communicable diseases, which can be transferred from one person to the another. So now in this video we are going to discuss about the causes of diseases. So by now we know the term disease, which means without ease or discomfort. So disease has a specific cause and can be recognized by a particular sign or symptoms. Human health is affected by various factors, causes or sources, and these factors can be internal or external. So internal factors are the factors which exist within the human body, and that can be due to malfunctioning or improper functioning of various body parts such as heart, kidney, liver, or also malfunctioning of immune system of the body, genetic disorders, hormonal imbalances, etc. So these are the internal factors which causes the disease. So some of the disease caused by internal sources or factors are cardiac failure, or you can say heart attack, kidney failure, myopia, cataract, diabetes, allergies, cancers, etc. So all these diseases are due to internal factors. The other factors which causes the disease are external factors. So basically these are the factors which enter the human body from outside. And the important external factors which upset human health are maybe inadequate diet or unbalanced diet, or poor health or undernourishment, environmental pollution, disease causing microorganisms which are called pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, etc. So these are all the external factors which causes the diseases, and some of the examples of these types of diseases are obesity, food poisoning, diarrhea, malaria, skin disease, goiter, rickets, etc. These are the diseases which are caused by the external factors. Now we have already discussed about the infectious diseases. So the diseases which are spread from one person to the another person easily are called infectious diseases. Now let us talk about the infectious agents which helps the disease to get transferred from an infected person to a healthy person. So the infectious agents are pathogens. The pathogens are the organisms which causes diseases like viruses and bacteria, fungi. And the other infectious agents are vectors. So vectors basically are the organisms which spread the diseases. Example, mosquito. Mosquito is a vector which helps to spread the disease from an infected person to a healthy person. Now in this table we can see the various infectious agents which cause various diseases. For example, disease caused by viruses are common cold, influenza, measles, mumps, chickenpox, AIDS, etc. And the disease caused by bacteria are cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, food poisoning, etc. The disease caused by fungi are basically the skin infections only. Malaria, sleeping sickness are caused by protozoa, and intestinal infections or elephantiasis, these are basically caused by the worms. So I hope this topic is clear to you, that how the disease are caused and how it is spread. It is basically spread through infectious agents like pathogens and vectors. So in our next video we are going to discuss about means of spread of infectious diseases. That's it for this video. Thank you.